Hey Superstar JVs, Craig here, and I have a quick question for you. So what if your customers, friends and family could buy products like this and then sell them for this? Or products like this and then sell them for this? Or maybe even pallets of goods like this and acquire items to buy and sell, or sell, and receive bids like this, like I did this week. Now, this last image you saw was actually one of my trades, but none of that would have happened without a chance meeting with an arbitrage expert I met whilst playing an online game that I play when I'm winding down sometimes. This meeting led me to running my own hobby business, which is now making me a very nice side income, and it's quite fun. So a side income, a replacement income, or a full-time career is what we want for your subscribers. This course will be a big hit in the launch game, but more importantly, it will be a massive win for any of your customers who take us up on this offer. Now, before I continue, please grab a pen and note down 11 a.m. Eastern at the 12th of January, because this is when it's going to go big. Let's get 2021 off with a big bang. So let's get into the info for you anyway. I proudly introduce Proflipperz, and as you know, many people today have lost their jobs, suffered business disruptions, got themselves deep in debt, and are struggling to find ways to make consistent incomes. Now, we are living in very uncertain times. People are losing their jobs and many countries are plunging into recession, and yet there are many people out there who are making serious money. You can agree with me, right? This is why I'm so excited to bring you Proflipperz, which is geared to show your customers how to make the most out of arbitrage by simply buying and selling regular household items. Now, Proflipperz was created by Steve Hitson, who has bought and sold over $4 million of products in his spare time. I just had to pry out this information, right? Who wouldn't want to know that? I mean, $4 million in his spare time. Yes, please. And since June 2020, I've worked with Steve to create a top quality course that will blow your minds when you see what he did and how he does it. Not forgetting the profits that Steve, myself, and other people who have been working alongside Steve in his course are actually making. In May this year, Steve set himself a challenge to go from $10,000, profit. That's profit, not sales. And he did it in part-time, and while documenting the whole process. Every purchase and every sale. It took 93 days and 140 working hours to hit the target during the COVID pandemic, while Steve was still doing his full-time job, like I say. So as you can see, this is a super simple yet super powerful opportunity, which is perfect for today's market. And if I can do it, anyone can. And as I said, Steve's generated multiple seven figures in this realm over the past 8 years. So if anyone knows how to do this, it's him, right? Now, you're going to want to check this out for yourselves. It's so much fun. And when you get access, you'll see the course will expose all of the secrets flipping real life products profitably and quickly. This is the key element, right? Quickly. Now, this isn't as simple as getting your old items and putting them on selling sites. There's methods that can help you acquire the items, make them valuable, and then make them sell. It's the who, the what, the where, the when, the why. It's all in Steve's course. I myself apply this method from following the course just to truly ensure that it works and to ensure, most importantly, it yields the results that people deserve. And it did. Even in my crazy hectic spare time, I generated about £13,000 profit in 2 months. Or 2 months or so following the course, and accomplished the challenge that he holds of 10K in 3 months. Now let's get into the juicy bits that you guys want to know. Firstly, we have the funnel, which is designed to convert throughout and bank you guys a ton of cash, not just for the info guys and girls, but the software too. I've created a phone app, which I'll tell you more about shortly. Now the front end, which is the course itself, and a mobile app, which does the various things, from posting on social media to listing in various places like Etsy, eBay, WooCommerce, and it's growing and growing and growing. It's something very, very fun and exciting for me, because this is a business model that I'm building on now. It also has utilities like a torch, calculator, even a barcode scanner for when you're out and about in the field. Not forgetting a nice touch with inventory tracking. Now this is going to help your customers massively. And best of all, with the course running alongside the app, your buyers will have full access to Steve via his Facebook group, so they can follow his lead and make their first trades. Now, this is a simple biz op that anyone can do, no matter age or ability. We've got the proof, you see. So now you know the product, we've got a killer funnel, and you guys are going to make heaps of cash. Like I said, the funnel contains our Proflipperz training and the software on the front end, which we believe is going to be about $37 or thereabout. We're going to finally set that up on the next 2 days, the pricing. You're getting 50% on that. OTO 1 is the Commerce Club and the Mastermind, which is a 1-month mini boot camp for extra fast live results. Not live, training from live training. Also, an exclusive members area, ongoing tips, tricks and techniques among many other businesses with the boosting assets that we have for them. It's high value and unmissable for only $47. Your customers will jump right in. Now we're giving 50% commission on that too, so you get a nice chunk of cash on OTO 1 with some recurring on OTO 2. It's $47 per month and 50% commissions. So you guys get paid over and over and over. Many of you are still receiving daily or weekly commissions from my other launches, so you'll see the value in this. There's ongoing app upgrades within this, and not only do we have some amazing things like this in the pipeline, from inventory tracking, which is going to be grown upon, additional marketplaces, more training, advanced store configuration is already in there. We have niche training, interviews with experts and more. Of course, there's a prize pool for you guys for our premier affiliates. So get your emails and campaigns ready and make more cash. Now let's talk about those prizes. First prize is $1,000. Second place is $750. Third is $500. Fourth is $250 and fifth is $125. There's going to be spot prizes in the launch too to keep you incentivized and paid for your efforts. Now the rules will be inside this page to give you more information. I've also added a crypto prize pool on something that's going to take the internet by storm. And if you need any information additionally to this page, please contact me using the info below and I'll happily respond as soon as possible. I'll always be here helping you get the best results and to get the most out of your promotion. Now the details are all below. Thank you for your continued support and good luck. And don't forget, 11 a.m. on the 12th of January. Thank you very much.